whisper. Can you whisper? Tell me a secret whisper. Come on, tell me. Tell me a secret. Attaboy. Whisper. Come on. Okay, that was a little quieter. I'll try to do something quieter next time. Okay, this time loud. Ready? Speak up, Fred. Speak up. Good boy. Oops. Oops. Sorry, I have a terrible shot. Okay. Something high bellied. Okay. Ready? Fred, sit. Good boy. Okay. Whisper. Yo, that was a good one. Whisper. Whisper. Attaboy. Yes, good, Fred. Oh my God. Cutest boy. Okay, Fred. Speak. Speak. Oh, yeah, that was good. Okay, sit. If you can see this precious face. Okay, Fred. I'm gonna get my value here. Ready? Whisper. Oh, that was a good whisper, Fred. That was a good one. That was a good one. Sit. Whisper. Whisper. Tell me a secret. Attaboy. No. Shh. Whisper. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was so cute. Whisper. Shh. Tell me a secret. I couldn't hear you. Tell me a secret. Come on, one more. You can do it. You can do it, Fred. Tell me a secret. Whisper. Yes, that was a good one. How about one more for a big jackpot? Okay, Fred, whisper. Good. Tell me a secret. Whisper. Whisper. Go ahead. Tell me. Whisper. Good boy. Okay, one loud one. Speak. Yes, a good boy. Yes, a good boy.